ज्यांना ओशोंची मेडिटेशन्स माहिती आहेत त्यांना हे माहिती पण असेल, आनापानसती meditation. Now this meditation we are going into, we are doing in 3 stages. Okay. Now one thing let us understand first is that there is a tremendous relation between the meditation and your breathing. Okay, the breathing has got direct connection with your mindset. When your breathing is very fast, your mind is always agitated. When your breathing is very calm and quiet and deep, you are experiencing a blissfulness. And so we have to concentrate in this the first session, we have to concentrate on this breathing only. So the first session of this meditation is to be aware of our natural breathing, but little bit deep breathing. So with that, actually, slow breathing, when we are aware of this slow breathing, our breathing rate will come down and slowly you will start experiencing the blissfulness. That is the first part. So 5 minutes, we are going to have the anapanasati, that is the awareness of breathing. Ana, apana, sati. Ana, inhalation. Apana, exhalation. Sati, the awareness. Okay. So the first 5 minutes, we are having a anapanasati with deep breathing. So when you are having a full concentration of oxygen, then naturally your mind becomes blissful. When your lungs are full of carbon dioxide, then your mind becomes very lazy or agitated. Let us understand this point very well. And so the first part is to clean this one and increase the concentration of oxygen. So before going for this Anapanasati, we'll first do the 1 round of Kapalabhati, and then in that, after Kapalabhati, we'll do the Anapanasati for 5 minutes. Okay, so just sit quietly and comfortably, spine erect, eyes are closed gently. Now be aware of your natural breathing. Now for Kapalabhati, exhale out totally. Inhale deeply and with strokes to abdomen, start Kapalabhati as per your capacity. Experience this automatic cessation of breath. Experience the blissfulness because of this automatic cessation. And now be aware of the breath, which is again starting. Let us have now the deep breathing, not with tremendous force, little bit of deep breathing. If you are inhaling, take your awareness inside along with the breath. And when you are exhaling, take your awareness outside. Let the awareness oscillate on breath. Only the breath will remain within. So 5 minutes, only the breath awareness. When you are inhaling, take your awareness inside. When you are exhaling, take your awareness outside. Only the awareness of breathing. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. Only the awareness of breathing. No other thoughts. Now let us chant one Omkar and we'll go to the second session. So for Omkar, exhale out totally. Inhale deeply and chant Om. Om. Slowly open your eyes. Now the second experiment in the same Anapanasati is of acceptance of all. सब स्वीकार का भाव. Normally people get annoyed when you are doing the meditation and if there is some disturbances. जसं तुम्ही घरी असाल तर घरी काहीतरी आदळआपट असते, काहीतरी लहान मूल बोंबलत असतं, हे करत असतं आणि आपण अनॉय होतो. कळलं की नाही? आणि नंतर मग जेव्हा आपण ह्याच्यातून बाहेर येतो मेडिटेशन मधून, त्याला आपण जास्तीच डिस्टर्ब असतो. ऍक्च्युअली मेडिटेशन हे शांत होण्यासाठी आहे. कळलं की नाही? सो यू कॅनॉट अवॉइड ऑल these obstructions. There are noises of truck going on, car going on, there are noises of a house and everything. So the meditation is not to avoid all these things but to accept everything. In meditation you have to accept it. That is the beauty of meditation. Acceptance. सब स्वीकार. रजनीश नेहमी सांगतात ओशो, सब स्वीकार का भाव. जो भी है स्वीकार है मुझे. हा भाव जर ठेवला आपण तर ते विघ्न राहत नाही. तर दॅट इज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू गो डीपर लेवल्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन. दॅट इज अ ब्युटी ऑफ धिस. सब स्वीकार भाव जो आहे तो त्याच्यासाठी आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या तुम्ही. अँड सो दॅट इज द beauty of it. So it is possible when you decide to accept everything, then that obstacle becomes the opportunity for you and you go still deeper into the meditation. And that is exactly कसं असतं, आपण कार घेऊन चाललोय आणि समोरून जेव्हा एखादी कार येते ना डार्क याच्यामध्ये रात्रीच्या वेळेला, तेव्हा डोळे ती कार गेल्यानंतर आपण जास्तच डार्कनेस अनुभवतो. एक्झॅक्टली त्याप्रमाणे सगळं जेव्हा आपण ऍक्सेप्ट करायला शिकतो मेडिटेशन मध्ये, त्यावेळेला आपण जास्त डीप मध्ये जात असतो. आणि सो इफ यू ऍक्सेप्ट दीज नॉइजेस विल टेक यू स्टील डीपर लेवल. कळलं की नाही? आणि आफ्टर दिस नॉइज यू बिकम स्टील काम. आणि हे कसं काय करायचं आपण? सो जस्ट accept that everything in this universe is a manifestation of this ultimate reality, of that Paramatma. That's it. So इस भाव से जब हम स्वीकार करते हैं तो वो आसान हो जाता है. एव्हरीथिंग इन दिस युनिवर्स इज ए मॅनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ दॅट युनिवर्स. मग पक्ष जरी आवाज करत असला तरी देखील ते भगवंताचं मॅनिफेस्टो आहे, भगवंताची अभिव्यक्ती आहे, हे आम्हाला कळतं. कळलं की नाही? काहीही या युनिव्हर्समध्ये चाललंय ते सगळं भगवंताचीच अभिव्यक्ती आहे. हा भाव मनात ठेवून जेव्हा आम्ही ऍक्सेप्ट करायला शिकू ना, तर आम्हाला मेडिटेशन मध्येच मुळी ऍक्सेप्टन्सचा धडे मिळत राहतील. हे लक्षात घ्या. आता 5 मिनिटं परत तेच आनापानसती आपण करणार आहोत. ओनली थिंग विथ दी ऍटिट्यूड ऑफ ऍक्सेप्टन्स. ओके. आणि मग आपण तिसऱ्या लेवलला जाऊ. सो अगेन सिट क्वाइटली अँड कम्फर्टेबली. Close your eyes, spine erect. And now, once again, concentrate on your breathing, little bit of deep breathing, and be aware of this deep breathing with the attitude of acceptance. जो भी कुछ हो रहा है मुझे स्वीकार है, सब स्वीकार है. फॅनचा आवाज येतोय, घरातल्या लोकांचा आवाज आहे, बाहेरून कार चालली आहे. Whatever it may be, it is acceptable to me. And my anapanasati is going on. Just be aware of your breathing while inhaling. Take your awareness inside. Exhaling, take your awareness outside. Only the awareness of breathing. End this second experiment with one Omkar. For that, exhale out totally. Inhale deeply and chant Om. Om. Just open your eyes. And now the third experiment which we are going to do is to merge yourself into that ultimate reality. Okay. So there is a big wall between myself and the God, between the God and the human being. Okay. So this partition is not from God. Let us understand this point. This partition, we have built this partition. And that partition we have built.
स्टेफनी आंटी नो 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 डोंट वरी इट्स फाइन अगली बार तभी कॉल करना जब
कोणाचा आहे उघडा आणि त्यामुळे ही जी दिवाल आहे ना ही आम्ही बनवली आहे आमच्या अहंकाराने बनवलेली आहे ही दिवाल कळलं की नाही हा अहंकारामुळे आम्ही त्याला वेगळं समजतो तर हा जो अहंकार आहे दॅट इगो शुड बी व्हॅनिश्ड द मोमेंट युअर इगो विल व्हॅनिश यू विल गेट merge into that ultimate reality. And that we are going to now do in this third experiment, that go to the total silence. You are taking these first two experiments. Along with that, now we are dropping all these things. Okay. With my instructions, you are going ahead and ahead. And so in third experiment, the first two experiments will be continued. Okay. And you have to add the feeling that I am not there. That this is the third element which you have to add. That I'm not there. Just like a drop of water, when it falls into the sea, it becomes a sea. Like that, your feeling should be that, yes, you are merging into that ultimate reality, into that God. Okay, that feeling should be there. For that, you have to merge yourself and let it happen, whatever is happening. एक गोष्ट अशी लोक सांगतात की पण मग मी नक्की ध्यान कसं करायचं. तुम्ही ध्यान करायचंच नाहीये, ते आपोआप होईल. पण मग नक्की कोण ध्यान करतं तो बघून घेईल. यू जस्ट ड्रॉप युअर आयनेस. मी ध्यान करतोय हा भाव पण तिथे नसला पाहिजे. That thought itself should be vanished. I am meditating, that thought itself should be vanished in this meditation. And that is the beauty of this meditation. The moment that thought will vanish, there is a total silence. And you will not be there, but your chitta will be there, which is totally merged into that ultimate reality. That chitta will not be vanished. But त्या चित्तावरचं जे स्फुरण आहे ना, आयनेसचं, ते स्फुरण निघून जाईल. द चित्त विल बी देअर, विच इज गेटिंग मर्ज इन टू दॅट सायलेन्स. दॅट इज द ब्युटी ऑफ दिस. सो लेट अस एक्सपिरियन्स दिस विथ इन दिस 7 minutes. ओके, वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग दिस फर्स्ट टू. पहिले आनापानसती, द सेकंड सब स्वीकार का भाव, and then third, slowly and slowly, we are dropping out all the labels which we have put on our personality. And the last label is that the I, that ego, that also we are dropping in this meditation, the third experiment. Okay. So I am not. And then you will understand की जे 23 तास असून आम्हाला दिसलं नाही, कारण मी होतो म्हणून ते दिसलं नाही, जे मला 1 तासात नसून दिसणार आहे. मी नसलो की ते दिसणार आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या तुम्ही. जब मैं था वो नहीं था, जब मैं नहीं था तो वो था. हा जो भाव आहे, हा भाव आपल्याला इथे एक्सपिरियन्स करायचा आहे. सो दिस इज द थर्ड थिंग, अँड देन विल गो फॉर अवर लेक्चर. सो जस्ट सिट क्वाइटली अँड कम्फर्टेबली. एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचं आपण आज मेडिटेशन घेतोय. Once again, spine erect. This will last for 7 minutes. Close your eyes. Slowly take your awareness to your breathing. Little bit of deep breathing. Awareness of breathing. The attitude of acceptance. Just continue these two things. Now let us evoke the feeling that I am not there. मैं मिट रहा हूं. मेरा अस्तित्व नष्ट हो रहा है. I am not there. Drop that label of I-ness. Drop that individuality and totally merge into that ultimate reality. No thought, no feelings. Even the thought that I am meditating is not there. Drop out all the labels which you have put on your personality and totally merge into that ultimate reality. मैं मिट रहा हूं. Just experience the total silence. Only breath will remain, whereas your individuality is not there. Experience this total merger. What remains is the breath. That breath is going on. Absolute silence. Forget about your individuality. Now to end this meditation, let us chant one Omkar in middle pitch with prolonged makar. For that, exhale out totally, inhale deeply and chant Om. Om. Rub your palms on each other and apply that heat around your eyes. Gently massage that bony portion around your eyes. Massage your forehead with the fingers, then nose, cheeks, chin, and slowly open your eyes. Hari Om.